28 Via Soria in Talega, an absolute fantastic location on a cul-de-sac, behind gates, across from one of the many community pools and parks. This is a really flexible floor plan. Starting here in the kitchen, it checks so many boxes. 2 islands, double ovens, white cabinets, dark floors, lots of storage, and you can eat at the one island or here in the dining room. Cozy up to the gas fireplace in the family room with built-in entertainment center. You can head up the split staircase to see the really useful upstairs loft with balcony overlooking the cul-de-sac. There are 5 bedrooms in this home. One's downstairs. This is the upstairs master suite, complete with plantation shutters and crown molding, and it opens up into the master bath. 2 secondary bedrooms share a full bath. A guest bedroom includes an ensuite bathroom. You'll love entertaining in this backyard with built-in barbecue and mature landscaping. This 5-bedroom, 4-bath home with just under 3,300 square feet includes a 3-car garage. Thanks for watching this home tour. You can contact me, Kelly LeClair with Pacific Sotheby's, for a private showing.